Assalamualaikum. Hi students. How are you? Okay, I hope you are fine and you're good and ready to start our lesson. So today's lesson is Form 3 English Language, Unit 1 Writing. This is part 2, the continuation for our writing an email part 1. I'll give you the link to the first part in the description, okay? So please go and get your textbook, close up B1, and please turn to page 15. Okay, today we will discuss tasks D, E, F, and G. Okay, are you ready? Alright, let's start. As I said before, we will continue the previous lesson on writing an email. Okay, so this is task D, where you have to read the example email again and you have to tick. This looks like a cross, right? But yeah, you have to tick the things that Rashida has included in her email. Okay, now number 1, a greeting. Number 2, the reason for the party. Number 3, the time the party starts. Number 4, the date of the party. Number 5, details about the food. Number 6, told the reader to keep a secret. Number 7, ask the reader to reply to the invitation. And 8, informal expressions. Okay, now we have read this email in our previous lesson, but yeah, let's just read it again, okay? Hi Uncle Sam, how are you? We're having a surprise party on Saturday 11th April at 6 p.m. because it's Dad's 50th birthday. Can you come? All the family are coming, as well as Dad's friends. I hope you can come too. Let me know. Love, Rashida. Okay, so what are the things that Rashida has included in her email? Okay, so she has included a greeting, the reason for the party. Okay, the greeting, hi. Okay, reason for the party because it's Dad's 50th birthday. Time the party starts is at 6 p.m. Date of the party is on 11th April. Okay, she did not include any details about the food. I don't think it's important. And she did not tell the reader to keep a secret. But well, if you read a title is about a surprise party, then you should know that you should keep it a secret, okay? And she asked the reader to reply to the invitation. Let me know. Okay, I hope you can come too. Let me know. And yeah, she used informal expressions. Okay, you can see abbreviations. Okay. So yeah, that's task D. Let's move on to task E. You have to match the items to make a plan. Okay, these are sort of items that you need to write an email. So there are 6 items over here, and these are sample sentences, okay, that you can write. So number 1, greeting. Number 2, paragraph 1. Number 3, paragraph 2. Number 4, paragraph 3. Number 5, paragraph 4. And lastly, number 6, signing off. Okay, and these are all the samples sentences. A, give the reason why you are writing. Okay, not really sample sentences, but what you should write in that particular paragraph. B, love, Rashida. C, ask the reader to reply to your invitation. D, ask about the reader. E, hi Uncle Sam. And 5, give more details about the party. Okay, so this is sort of the structure that you would use when you are writing an email to invite someone to an event. Okay, so let's match the items. Alright, so greeting. Hi Uncle Sam is a greeting. Okay, you can say hi, hello. And then paragraph 1, you ask about the reader. How are you? How are you doing? Okay, paragraph 2, you give the reason why you are writing. I'm writing this email to invite you to a birthday party or a surprise party. Paragraph 3, you give more details about the party. Okay, when we say details, it means what your reader needs to know in order, to attend the party. Okay, of course, the day, date, time, and the place, okay, that the party is going to happen. And then paragraph 4, you ask the reader to reply to your invitation. Okay, you can say, please let me know, and then you need this because sometimes you need to plan the seating, you need to plan the food. Okay, and lastly, signing off. In informal email, you can just write love Rashida. Okay, love and your name. Okay, now for task F, you have to read the exam close up and useful expressions. Okay, exam close up, including all the information. Make sure you read the exam question carefully. Okay, what does the question want you to write about? And you underline the information you need to include in your writing. Okay, if you do not include the information that is needed, okay, your marks might be not very high, so you have to include all the information that you need. Okay, and when you have finished, you have to read the exam question again, and you have to check that you have included all the points in your note. Okay, basically you just need to proofread your essay before you submit it to your teacher. Okay, and these are some useful expressions that you can use when you are writing your email. Okay, if you want to invite, you can say you're invited to a party or a birthday party, something like that. Or maybe you state the event that is coming up and you just say, can you come? And lastly, straight to the point, I want to invite you to whatever event that you are having. Okay, and then asking for a reply, you can say, let me know if you can come. Okay, or tell me if you can come or not. Right? And these are words that you can use to write about special events. Maybe you can use the word celebration. If there's any good news and you want to celebrate, and then guesses, who you invite, invitation, okay, the act of inviting, and special occasion, maybe a birthday, maybe somebody gets married, okay. A surprise party where you do not want the person that you celebrate knows about it, so it is a surprise. Celebrate, okay, to invite, organize a party or to hold a party, plan or to have a party. Okay, so these are some examples of the words that you can use to write your email. So now let's complete the exam task. For task G, you have to remember to include all the important information. Now let's read the question. Okay, you have done very well at school this year and your parents want to have a party to celebrate. Oh, congratulations that you have done very well at school. So your parents are excited, they're very happy and they want to celebrate you. Okay, they want to celebrate your success. So you have to write an email to a friend to invite them to the party. In your email, you should tell your friend why you are emailing. Okay, so the reason of the email, because you want to invite them to a celebration because you have done very well at school. And you have to give information about the party, the time, the place, the date. Okay, if you want to make your writing more interesting, try to choose something that is, uncommon. Instead of saying, please come to my house, we are going to have the party next week. why don't you choose a place that is a bit unlikely, or maybe you can say, I'm going to have a party at a very exclusive hotel, something like that, okay? And then you have to ask your friend to reply whether they accept or they decline your invitation. Okay, so you have to write this in about 35 to 45 words, and I think you can do this. Okay, you got this, right? So please submit your email on Google Classroom and make sure you check it before you turn it in. Okay, that's all for today, kids. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.